Alright guys, I've been holding down the fort on the first Monday of 2019. Kuzikk here with me, Chrissy beside me, Kamal beside her, and Cool Johnny Cool beside him. Morning to all of you. Morning. I want to learn a little bit more about each of you before you guys take us out. So Chrissy, you have been singing for a while. Yeah. Background vocals mainly. Right. Tell us about some of the folks you've worked with. I've
worked, well, live, as in tours, I've worked with Anthony B up until August.
Okay.
In studio, I work with almost everybody.
Yes, of course.
The known and the unknown.
Known and the unknown. All right, come on. Dubtonic crew is part of your history.
Yeah, man. Dubtonic crew, lead singer and lead writer for many years. And took a break and come back to the solo project and now work with Kuzikk.
Yeah.
The synergy is something that we couldn't deny.
Yeah.
You know, so it's a synergy of the musical synergy of the 3Ks.
Yeah.
Chrissy Webb, Cool Johnny Cool.
Hence why I take off the hem off of music and put one K. I saw it. Yeah, all right, so Cool Johnny Cool. Yeah, you've also done quite a bit of touring. Beanie and Chaba and some cool people.
A bag of things.
Yeah.
Yeah, I started out in the 90s. I had a management team and they approached me to do some projects and it took off. I went out with Gregor Isaacs for my first in Africa.
Wow.
The first Panifest that took place. And so from there, you know, we just...
So lots of history in the industry amongst the three of you.
Yep.
How did you get together? How did Kuzikk come about?
Well, let me just answer that. Me and Kamau come from the same community. And a friend of ours introduced us.
Yes, man. So I know this girl, you know, and she...
Yeah, so, and instantly when we met, it was like real connection. You know, musically, you know, just powerful.
As Kamal said, the chemistry was undeniable. So where do you perform now? Where can folks see you?
Well, we were just in on last weekend, was it? The weekend before we were in Negril, Bourbon Beach. And so we're taking it now to Kingston.
Okay.
And so we're looking to get some shows during Reggae Month to showcase Kuzikk more and more to the Jamaican public. And of course, we're planning to go on tour in the summer of this year.
All right.
So we have some plans.
Well, all the best
and we're also planning a launch of Kuzikk. You know, so that's
in the pipeline.
You get them to taste this morning and then you launch after.
Yeah.
Do you think? So it go. All right, they're going to take us out.
Give thanks. Now this one.
Whoa, 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 yeah.
Hey.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. Woo. You're so amazing. Come around, come where. Oh yeah, guess what I'm saying? I need you for my #1 girl. Oh yeah, you're so amazing. Come around, come where. Oh yeah, guess what I'm saying? I need you for my #1 girl.
Wagwan.
Truth be told, I don't know how to approach you. What can I say that hasn't already been said? You changed my mood when you walked into the room. Energy emanating much like casting a spell. Are you a goddess or a temptress or what? Or were you sent to be my guardian or what? Cause I wouldn't mind you guarding me, close to me, transferring some of that good energy. You're so amazing. Come around, come where. Oh yeah, guess what I'm saying? I need you for my #1 girl. Oh yeah, you're so amazing. Come around, come where. Oh yeah, guess what I'm saying? I need you for my #1 girl.
What is the question?
How far are you willing to go? What are you willing to do? How far are you willing to go to join me? To join me? How far are you willing to go? What are you willing to do? How far are you willing to go to join me? To join me?
Getting to know you has been my pleasure, baby. A true empress and a conscious lady. Things we reason about makes my heart shout. Thanking Jah that I found you, your natural beauty. What we likened to the sun, so necessary. I'm thanking Jah that you've come